Are you curious about Colorado whiskey, but you don't know where to start? Well, stick around and I'll show you the top 3 whiskeys for beginners right now. Are you curious about Colorado whiskey, but you don't know where to start? Then today I'm going to show you the 3 Colorado whiskeys that will be a good introduction. And also stick around to the end for a bonus tip. Right? Let's go. Stranahan's Rocky Mountain Single Malt. It's the original Colorado whiskey. When George Stranahan and Jess Graber decided to get together and make this whiskey, it's a good introduction. It's not quite a single malt whiskey, it's not quite a bourbon. It's kind of a mix between the two. It's a great whiskey. A good place to start too. It's not too harsh, very sweet, very nice. Axe in the Oak Colorado Mountain Bourbon. If you're into bourbons, you might try this one. It's nice, it's a little spicy, it's a great Colorado whiskey. And yes, it is a Colorado whiskey and is a great starter. Boulder Spirits Peated Malt Whiskey. Now I don't have this one, but thanks to Hollywood Magic, there you go. It's a great whiskey. If you're a fan of peated scotch, you might like this one. Check it out. It's a great place to start with Colorado whiskey. Boulder Spirits does a lot of great things, and they have a lot of different versions of whiskey, all the way from bourbon to single malt. Great place to look. Now, but before I reveal the bonus tip, if you've enjoyed this at all, hit that like button right down there. Come on, it's free. Now, time for your bonus tip. Your local whiskey bar. If you're curious about Colorado whiskey, go on down. If you know a place that has a lot of selection of whiskey, go ahead and ask them, do you have anything from Colorado? Be a lot easier. Try them out, see what you think. Try out a couple. Now let me know in the comments which one you're eager to try. But until the next time, I'm the Colorado Whiskey Guy. Cheers.